Choosing a reliable watch does not require overspending when timeless design, dependable movements, and everyday versatility matter most to day buyers. Best entry-level watches for men combine classic styling, build quality, and trusted brands that deliver confidence, practicality, and value. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Orient Leather Watch. The Orient Leather Watch is a refined timepiece that appeals to watch enthusiasts who appreciate traditional craftsmanship paired with everyday practicality. Designed with a strong emphasis on classic aesthetics, this watch stands out for its clean dial layout, balanced proportions, and timeless leather strap that adds warmth and sophistication to the wrist. The genuine leather strap not only enhances comfort during extended wear, but also develops a natural patina over time, giving the watch a more personalized character. Orient is widely respected for producing in-house movements, and this watch reflects that heritage with dependable performance and smooth timekeeping that can be trusted for daily use. The dial is thoughtfully designed, offering clear hour markers and hands that provide excellent readability without appearing cluttered. Whether worn with business attire or casual outfits, the watch adapts effortlessly, making it a versatile choice for men who prefer understated elegance. This watch is especially appealing to those who want a mechanical-inspired feel without unnecessary complications. It offers a sense of tradition and reliability that many modern watches lack, making it ideal for collectors as well as first-time buyers exploring quality timepieces. Overall, the Orient Leather Watch delivers exceptional value by combining classic styling, dependable engineering, and long-lasting comfort, making it a smart investment for anyone seeking a watch that remains stylish year after year.
Number 2. Bulova 42mm Watch. The Bulova 42mm watch from the men's classic collection is a sophisticated blend of vintage inspiration and modern craftsmanship, designed for men who appreciate timeless style with reliable functionality. Its silver-toned stainless steel case presents a clean, polished appearance that works equally well in professional and formal settings. The 42mm size offers a confident presence on the wrist without feeling oversized, striking a perfect balance between boldness and elegance. Powered by an automatic movement with a hack feature, this watch delivers precision and mechanical charm, allowing wearers to experience the smooth sweep of the seconds hand and accurate time setting. Bulova's attention to detail is evident in the refined case finishing, subtle dial textures, and well-proportioned hands and markers. This watch is ideal for individuals who want a dependable automatic timepiece without excessive ornamentation. It transitions seamlessly from office wear to evening occasions, offering versatility that many modern designs lack. The stainless steel construction ensures long-term durability, while the overall design reflects Bulova's long-standing heritage in watchmaking. For those seeking a watch that combines traditional elegance, mechanical reliability, and everyday usability, the Bulova 42mm watch stands out as a well-rounded and stylish option that remains relevant regardless of changing trends.
Number 3. Citizen SEIKO Watch. The Citizen SEIKO Watch is a modern, sporty timepiece designed for individuals who value innovation, sustainability, and everyday versatility. Crafted with a 41mm rose gold-toned stainless steel case, this watch makes a confident statement while maintaining a refined and wearable profile. The design seamlessly transitions from work to casual outings, making it a true all-purpose watch. Its faceted 60-minute bezel adds a dynamic edge to the overall appearance, while the H-link bracelet enhances both durability and comfort. The textured green dial is visually striking, offering depth and character, and the bright white applied indices ensure excellent legibility in various lighting conditions. A practical date window at the 3 o'clock position adds everyday convenience without disrupting the dial's balance. With 100 meters of water resistance, this watch is suitable for daily wear, light water activities, and outdoor use. At the heart of the watch is Citizen's renowned EcoDrive technology, which is powered by any light source and eliminates the need for battery replacements. This feature not only reduces maintenance, but also supports environmentally conscious living. The reliable E111 caliber ensures accurate timekeeping, making this watch as dependable as it is stylish. Overall, the Citizen Eco Watch is an excellent choice for those seeking a bold yet practical watch that combines modern design, advanced technology, and long-term reliability in one impressive package.
Number 4. SEIKO SRPG 37 Watch. The SEIKO SRPG 37 watch is a rugged yet stylish automatic timepiece built for men who appreciate durability, functionality, and classic field watch aesthetics. Powered by the reliable SEIKO 4R36 caliber, this watch offers both automatic and manual winding, giving wearers flexibility and confidence in its performance. The stainless steel case feels robust and well-constructed, while the comfortable black nylon strap reinforces its sporty, utilitarian character. Designed to withstand daily wear, the watch features water resistance up to 10 bar, making it suitable for outdoor activities and active lifestyles. The black dial is bold and easy to read, with luminous hands and numerals that ensure visibility in low light conditions. The orange-tipped second hand adds a subtle pop of color and improves readability, enhancing the watch's functional design. A day and date display is conveniently positioned on the dial, helping users stay organized and on schedule. The overall layout is clean, practical, and purpose-driven, staying true to SEIKO's reputation for dependable tool watches. This model is ideal for those who want an automatic watch that feels equally at home in urban environments and outdoor settings. With its proven movement, durable materials, and timeless design, the SEIKO SRPG 37 delivers exceptional value and reliability for everyday wear.
Number 5. Tissot 316L Watch. The Tissot 316L watch is a refined Swiss-made timepiece that blends elegance, precision, and everyday functionality. Featuring a 42mm case crafted from 316L stainless steel with a yellow-gold PVD coating, this watch delivers a luxurious appearance while maintaining durability and corrosion resistance. Its slim case thickness of just 8.05mm allows it to sit comfortably on the wrist, making it an excellent choice for both formal and business wear. Powered by a reliable quartz movement, the watch offers accurate timekeeping with minimal maintenance. The index-style dial is clean and sophisticated, complemented by a discreet date display that enhances practicality without compromising style. The leather strap or bracelet option, equipped with an interchangeable quick-release system, allows for easy customization to suit different occasions. A standard buckle closure ensures a secure and comfortable fit throughout the day. With water resistance up to 5 bar, the watch is suitable for daily activities, such as hand washing and light swimming. Tissot's commitment to quality craftsmanship is evident in the fine finishing, balanced proportions, and attention to detail throughout the design. This watch is ideal for individuals who appreciate understated luxury and Swiss reliability, making it a dependable and stylish companion for everyday life. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.